Stand tall in the beginning of the mat, feet close to each other. Inhale, raise your arms up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, connect the hands in Namaste at the heart center. Close your eyes and do few slow breaths. Inhale deeply and with an exhalation bend forward, fingertips touching the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend down again. Inhale, slowly raise yourself up, arms up again, and with an exhalation bend backwards slightly. Inhale, bring the hands back in Namaste. Exhale, bend down again. Breathe normally. Now start warming up the legs. Bend and straighten the knee. One by one, slowly bend and straighten. Prepare your legs muscles for upcoming postures. Now inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend down again. Inhale, raise your right leg up, bend the knee, and then bring it backwards to the mat. Place the right knee down first. Inhale, raise the arms up, lengthen the spine, and hold. Exhale, bend the elbows and open the arms to the sides. Inhale, lift the arms up again, crisscross them, and repeat this movement a few more times. Move with your breath. Then open your arms again and hold for 3, 2, 1. Now lift the arms up, interlace the fingers, bend the elbows, and bring the hands underneath the back of your head, like you are holding your head. Now open the arms to the sides, and then bring them forward. Inhale, bring them back, bend the elbows, and repeat this movement again. With an exhalation, open the arms and bring them forward, lean forward. Inhale and bring them back again. Now open the arms again to the sides, bring them forward, and then place your left hand on the right hip. Lift your right arm up and slightly bend backwards. Hold this pose for a couple of breaths. Then tuck your toes, lift your right leg off the mat, hold this twist. Hold this pose for at least 5 counts. Slowly pivot on your back foot and transition into Warrior 2. Bend the front knee. Keep your arms at the shoulder level. Now place your right hand on the left hip, lift your left arm up, and with an exhalation, bend to the right. Now change the side, bend your left elbow and place it on the left hip. Right arm is above your head, close to your ear. And change the side again. Right hand is on your left hip, left arm is up and bend to the right. Inhale, bend the elbow and place it on the left hip again, bend to the left. Now lower your left hand down next to your foot, lift your right arm up. You can look up or look in front of you. Now change the position of the hands, place your right hand next to your left foot, turn to your left hip, lift your left arm up. Then place both of your hands down, bring your left leg backwards, come into plank position. Lift your left leg up, come into one-legged plank. Then lower yourself down in Chaturanga and come into Cobra. Bend the knees, tuck your toes, and raise yourself up into downward facing dog. Round your spine, lean forward into plank again. Then lift your hips and come back to downward facing dog. Hold this pose for a few breaths, then round your spine and lean forward into plank. Bend the elbows, Chaturanga, and raise yourself up into Cobra again. Then bend the knees, step or jump to the beginning of the mat. Bend down, fingertips on the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and bend down again. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up, lift the arms up, and then bring them into Namaste at the heart center. Now repeat this sequence with the right leg in front and left one stretched at the back. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Namaste.